Look at that, here's my car. Hello friends, very good morning. 2 days ago you saw that my tire got burst in the middle of the highway. So today's the time we go get a new tires for my car. So the first place that I'm going is Bridgestone Tire and Auto Store. चलो पूछते हैं कितने में टायर पड़ता है. I'm looking for new tires because one of my tire got a hole in it. So he quoted me $1,000 for all the 4 tires. I thought 1,000 is a lot more for these tires, so I went out to check more stores. Next store is Bob Jane's T-Mart. So they quoted me $680 for the same tires that Bridgestone was giving me for $1,000. This is what $770 give you. 4 new brand tires and a wheel alignment.